Hey, head on over to Amazon and buy your copy of Trauma Bonded, a true story of navigating attachments forged in complex PTSD by me, Sarah Westbrook.
Stop pestering me. Gosh, I feel harassed. Where are you?
Do you really?
No, not at all.
I'm going to flip you off.
Oh, that would be rude.
There you go. All right, I feel better. I flipped him off, y'all. Okay, squirrel. Alrighty, so let's see. This episode will be dropping for our listeners on September 4th. So where am I at? Well, my book comes out in 2 days. If you're listening to this the day that this episode drops. If not, then my book is probably out, which is Trauma Bonded, a true story of navigating attachments forged in complex PTSD. It has been a life-altering experience. So we are in right now, so we're recording this in August, but we have had several people who have purchased the book in its pre-sale time period.
Right.
And we are starting to get the feedback, the preliminary feedback. So my book sat number 1 in new releases in Mormonism and the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for its first several days out. I want to say that we were number 1 for 6 or 7 days in both categories.
Ironic,
on
of
the
course,
book.
because it's not really a Mormon book or
Right.
anything, but that's where it was.
And then I'm in now the top, I think I'm at like number 250 in Christian self-help, and I'm in the top 500 for women's biographies, and the book hasn't even come out yet. So that has just been an incredible experience. And then the reviews that we're getting, like people keep telling me I couldn't put the book down. I was addicted to it. I stayed up all night reading it.
Right.
And just the fact I've had so many people reach out to me. So if you're listening to this and you've been one of those people that have reached out to me, or if you've read the book or you're going to read the book and you want to reach out to me, you can do so at daisygirlcommunications@gmail.com. But one of the things that has just been phenomenal is people saying, I relate to this.
Yes.
Like you have spoken the
Yes.
things I cannot say out loud, that my vulnerability has really helped them find courage in themselves. And so it's just, I don't know, it hasn't been officially released, Mason, but with these first few reviews and things coming in, it's like all of that effort, all of the hardship and trauma of writing that book, it just all feels worth it. Unpacking Mormonism and Other Religious Trauma is meant for educational purposes only. Please join our community on Facebook,